Hi, this is Howard Lickman with TelePresence Options, continuing our survey of telepresence and visual collaboration. Today we are in Plano, Texas, sitting down with Mr. Duffy White, the CEO of TelePresence Tech, and Mr. Mike Powell, the co-founder and co-owner of Regal Research and Manufacturing, a 200-employee contract manufacturing company. TelePresence Tech and Regal are announcing a major partnership, and they're launching what you see in the background, which is their 3D Telepresence Room. Duffy and Mike, good to be with you today.
Thank you very much.
Duffy, first of all, tell everybody a little bit about TelePresence Tech and what you guys do and some of the differentiators you have with some of the other products in the marketplace, and then I'd like for you to tell us a little bit about the partnership.
Well, this is an important day for us in the sense that we've just recently announced this partnership with Regal Research. A tremendous opportunity for us because we've gotten to the position as a company now where our products are in 17 countries around the world. We've been manufacturing very high quality products for a number of years, but we wanted to get to the position where we could start manufacturing in larger scale, meet the demand, and be able to assure that we have the quality that we wanted to be able to deliver. In order to do that, we want to have a partnership with a company that could really help us deliver that capability. And we're delighted to be here with Mike Powell as a partner with us and a part owner in our company now. And with us working together, we've expanded our capabilities, and we'll be able to tell you about that today.
Okay. Now we're sitting here in front of the new product you're launching, the 3D Telepresence Room. Take me through, just a little bit. I know we're going to see it a little bit later, but take me through just a little bit of some of the, some of the products that you offer and where this sits in the spectrum.
Okay. Well, all of the systems we've been developing are ones that have a life-size image. Mm-hmm. And as many of the systems in the telepresence field do, but what really differentiates us is that we have a true eye contact in the sense that it is aligned, all of our systems line up with the camera. It's not like placing a camera outside of the image area. Ours are aligned through the usage of a beam splitter. And the other thing that we've accomplished by doing this technique, in particular the one that we've been able to patent, is that it achieves a sense of a three-dimensional depth. And these are ones that in some of our previous systems have been incorporated in the whole system so that you get that sense of depth, like the conference system that we have. But this is different. This one actually has the people appearing in the three-dimensional setting of the room, and the backdrop you see, in fact, is the wall behind. Mm-hmm. So it's kind of amazing that it's not like a display that is sitting in the room. This is the room, and the people that you're communicating with appear to be in the room, even though they're digitally transmitted over a network.
Okay, and so this is obviously on the higher end. What are some of the other offerings, and where do they fit in?
Well, in fact, one of the recent things that we've developed is a system that is on a cart. It actually is one that, in fact, folds up. It has all the mechanical movements with gas struts and such to be able to make a very compact unit that could be used in a setting such as at a hospital where it could be moved from one location to the other very easily. Mm-hmm. And that one still has the eye contact, has the three-dimensional setting, but it has very much of that personal connection. So when you use this for something like, say, telepsychiatry, as some of our clients are using it for those purposes, it allows the users to be able to make a connection with their patients that you just don't get with a video conferencing application. Mm-hmm. And again, quite different than the other offerings that are out there in the telepresence field. Okay,
and so now you're announcing a partnership, and I understand there's been an investment by Regal in the company. Tell us a little bit about that, Mike, and what you guys do here at Regal Research and Manufacturing.
Well, thank you. Again, I started out just as a supplier to TelePresence Tech. We are a vendor and a fabricator of some of the sheet metal products, and the more we got involved, the more excited we were with the product. I went to Duffy then and asked if we could make it a partnership, make it where we have more of an actual investment. Our employees will feel more a commitment to the product and the quality and the delivery of the product. So he was gracious enough to accept an offer, and we did make an investment. And again, now we have a situation that we feel like we have all the capacity and capability of producing this product at a very high level of quality, and of course to a high volume level also. What Regal Research does, I mean, we're a contract manufacturer specializing in machining, metal fabrication. And of course, this particular product has a lot of those requirements, especially metal fabrication. We have a very large punching and laser system with storage and retrieval where it can run lights out through a weekend fabricating the product. From there, the product can be laser scanned, make sure all the tolerances, all the dimensions are held to a very tight tolerance within just the thousandths of an inch. Products then require precision forming and bending, and we have all those capabilities. And then the product also requires painting, finishing and painting, welding. All those capabilities are in-house and very tightly controlled. A lot of our customers that we've been involved with over the years have been military, aerospace, very precision, all the way down to the nanotechnology industry. So we have a very good background and depth of knowledge and skills to produce a very high level quality product. So again, we're excited about this opportunity and we just look forward to the growth of the industry and growth of the business of TelePresence.
Okay, so what does this capability give you? Obviously, the ability to do very, very large runs, the ability, you know, tell us a little bit about that.
Well, what we've already been able to achieve in the time that we've been here is to expand our product offering so that whereas we were primarily doing systems that were for conferences that were small groups, we've now been able to expand to having a very large room solution in which all of the walls and the whole setting of this system is completely fabricated here. And that's a capability you don't do in a small shop. It's something you need a larger facility. And the other thing that's been really wonderful is that with the team of people that we have, first of all, our own capabilities to go from the design into the development, and then immediately from that into the engineering of that in order to be manufactured on systems. And they've got systems that have the capability of getting everything we design into sheets that are fabricated exactly to incredible accuracy, repeatability, and then from that we can assure that our products, when they go out into the market, are always matching this quality that we're striving to achieve. So it's been a tremendous opportunity for us to expand our capabilities, you know, as a firm into something that they can go out in the market as excellent products.
Well, listen, gentlemen, congratulations to both of you.
You're good. Thank
and
you.
we look forward to seeing more in the future.
Thank you.
Yeah. Howard Lichtman, TelePresence Options, more to come.